Hello, it's AliMECH. In this video I will show you how to restore peeled headlight clear coat. Sometimes the headlight gets yellow and faded. You can just sand it off and polish it, but this is a different case. If you have the same problem, then this video for you. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I will remove the clear coat. I will use 240 grit sandpaper to remove all the clear coat on the headlight. But first, let's mask the edges so we don't accidentally damage the paint. Using sanding block will help you to sand the surface evenly. So I did the same thing on the other side. Next I will wet sand it with 800 grit sandpaper. After using 800 grit sandpaper, I used 1000 grit sandpaper. Next, masking the car and cut the headlights out and apply clear coat. I use paint gun. You can use can as well. If you are using can, make sure to use 2K clear coat. I'll put a link in the description box below if you are willing to use a can. Degreasing with rubbing alcohol or lacquer thinner. Now applying 2 coats of clear coat. This is how it looks like after removing mask. We're gonna leave it like that for 3 days to cure. Okay, it's been 4 days after applying the clear coat. It's fully dry and cured. I will wet sand it with 1000 grit sandpaper and then use rubbing compound. Again, masking the edges so I don't accidentally damage the paint. If you look closely on the edges, I have some orange peels left, but in the middle it's all gone. So I will continue sanding the side and the edges. And the last wet sanding stage will be 1500 grit sandpaper. Now let's bring the shine back by using rubbing compound. I will use Megbar's Ultimate Compound. Separating the compound on the headlight evenly, starting with a low speed and then high speed. Next I will use polishing compound, also from Meguiar's. Applying will be the same technique, starting with a low speed and then high speed. Now it's all polished, no orange peels left. Now we need to protect it from the contaminant and the UV light. You can use carnauba wax or liquid wax. I will use Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. Applying wax is very easy. Wax on and wax off when it gets dry.
Wax on, wax off.
The wax is all dry. I'm gonna wipe it off and check the result. This is how it was look like, and here is now, with applying clear coat and using sandpaper and rubbing compound. You can save hundreds of dollars instead of buying new headlight. Everything I use will be in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing and click on the bell so you don't miss any new videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.